What's going on, y'all? Crazy Pop here. And boy, today we have something special. A very good, loyal subscriber, Bruno, we've been going back and forth about a runny egg. He knows I don't like runny eggs, and apparently he loves them. And, you know, if you look at the comments on past videos, you'll see, now that deserves a runny egg, or, you know, whatever. We've been going back and forth. So today, Bruno, get your wish, buddy. I'm going to eat a runny egg on a burger. I don't know whether they call this a sunny side up burger, a hangover burger, or a breakfast burger. I don't know. I figured out, and whatever you see down there in the title, that's what I finally decided on. So anyhow, with all that being said, if you're new here, please consider subscribing, ring that bell notification, giving us a thumbs up, let us know down in the comments, you know, if you're new and where you coming in from. Love to have you here at the Crazy Acres, because you never know what we're going to end up cooking. A lot of it here lately has been subscriber suggested, just like this runny egg that I'm not really looking forward to trying, but we're going to do this. We're going to get through it. If you've been here like Bruno, thank you so much for your love, your support, and everything you've been doing for us. You know, clicking on these videos, hitting that thumbs up, leaving us comments, leaving us suggestions. It's all very much appreciated. So thank you, thank you, thank you. Now, if you don't like this recipe and looking for a different one, look down below in the description. Got a recipe playlist down there. Click on that, all kind of recipes. If you still don't see what you're looking for, hey, do like Bruno. Let us know. We would love to try new things. Sometimes. Not really, I ain't gonna lie. I'm a little nervous about this because I don't like the looks of runny egg on a burger. I've seen people, they'll pop that yolk and that yolk run everywhere. And members of people are like, that looks good. I'm like, no, it don't. But anyhow, that's what we're gonna do today. So, without any more going into detail about stuff, check all the links down below, and let's fire this griddle up and show you some groceries. Let's get this bad boy fired up. I think today, I'm going to go with these three burners, not all three, but these three burners, like normal, because I like to keep a cool side. It's not going to be cold, but, you know, it's warm, to kind of slide stuff over if I need to. But anyhow, we're going to go down to low, right at low, just a little bit above low. I think these two I'm going to go down to low on. How's that? On to the groceries, y'all. Y'all check out this burger I already made out right here. Got some burger, 2 strips of bacon, got us a bun to put everything. We're going to toast that bun up. We got 2 slices of cheddar cheese. Got some butter back here that we'll use kind of with the egg and with the bun. We're going to season this burger with some breakfast blend. I figured, hey, you got everything else breakfast, might as well make the burger taste like a breakfast too. Well, the griddle is ready. So that means one thing, time to get some groceries on the griddle. What I'm gonna do is go ahead and throw down my bacon. Over here with a little cooler. Oh yeah, that little sizzle, baby. Go ahead and throw down my burger right here. Take some of this breakfast seasoning. Season that burger up. Now from here, it's a matter of just get our bacon done like we want it. Get that burger done, then we're gonna toast up some bread, cook an egg, and see how this is gonna turn out. Y'all know me, I ain't flipped my bacon just once. I gotta go ahead and flip these things. Yeah. I'm hoping this bacon's really, really good. Kind of overpower that runny egg. This bacon is done, y'all. So let's go ahead and just slide it way over here in the corner. Keep it warm over there. And we're gonna go ahead and flip this burger. This burger's looking good, y'all. We're gonna cook this burger for a little while before we throw anything else on. This burger is just about done. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and put some cheese on here, get that egg to cooking. Put both pieces on here. Doing my best to flavor this thing up with that runny egg, boy, I'm telling you. Now what I'm gonna do for this egg, I like to cook my egg cool. This burner here, I'm gonna go ahead and turn off. So now I just got this burner and this burner on, okay? So now I'm gonna go ahead and throw down some butter way over here, y'all. See how hot this is over here? Still? Got some butter over here too, y'all. Go ahead and get our bread on there. Go ahead and crack this egg right there. Now, the egg's on. Hope it's gonna be good. Man, I just don't know about this. That thing's staring at me, y'all. Cheese, you gotta help me, please. That thing's still staring at me. Let's check on this bread, y'all. It's starting to get a little toast to it. Look at that. Oh yeah, looking good. That egg though. You know, I think I'm gonna put just a little bit of seasoning on this egg. Kind of help it out a little bit. All right, cheese is starting to melt down. That egg is just about set. Bacon's done. Buns are done. About time, y'all. Y'all, it's that time. So I'm gonna go ahead and kill the heat. Everything's off now. Now what I'm gonna do is go ahead, oh, by the way, y'all look at that toast on them buns. Look at that. Yeah, buddy. Burger's looking good. Put you back here. Go ahead and get our cutting board out. Now, let's assemble. Let's see, how do I want to do this? I think I'll go with the bacon next. Like so. Like that there. Make it all look kind of fancy, kind of pretty. Because pretty food just tastes better. Now, y'all. Now, y'all, let's see if I can get this egg up in one piece. Might need some help here. Get this thing on this burger right here. I just don't know about this, y'all. All right, it's on. So there it is. Let me give you a close-up of this thing. Well, y'all, there it is. There you go, Bruno. There it is. We're fit to pop this thing. Try to keep it in. See, even the camera don't want to focus on it. It's like, oh no, we don't want to look at that. But anyhow, that's a fried egg on there. Oh yeah, buddy. I'd be so willing to get in this. But anyhow, let's try it out. All right, y'all. Moment of truth has arrived. I gotta pop this thing and let that yolk run everywhere. I'm just not into this. I'm just not. Anyhow, y'all take one good last look. Let's see if we can't pop that yolk. Ugh. Bruno, really? You really want me to eat this, Bruno? Bruno, I just don't know about this. I just don't know, buddy. This is. Y'all, I just. Here it goes, anyhow. Y'all better like and subscribe for this video. I'm gonna go ahead and bite it where the egg was running and see how it tastes. You know, I'm not gonna over talk this, I guess. You know, it's not bad. But dip it in that runny stuff. Yeah, buddy. Bruno, thank you. It don't look good, but it's delicious. I probably got some on my face, I don't know. That's actually very good. That breakfast seasoning, you know, that bacon, the cheese, of course, toasted bread, but that runny egg really gives it a whole nother dimension, a whole different texture, I guess you'd say. I'm really surprised. Bruno, thank you so much. I still don't like the way it looks. It don't look good to me. But honestly, it's very delicious, honestly. So, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, thumbs down twice. Let me really know you hated it. You got any suggestions, some stuff you want me to try? Hey, let me know. We'll get around to it. Bruno, you've been after me for a while, buddy. You finally got it. And I appreciate that. That's actually very good. So, with that being said, I'm actually going to finish this burger. And we'll see you next time. This burger is just about done. So I'm going to go ahead and put cheese on here. We're going to go and build this thing in.